Becoming a U.S. citizen, a step-by-step guide. The process of acquiring American citizenship when you are not a natural-born citizen is called naturalization. It involves meeting specific requirements and following a set of steps outlined by U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS. Who can apply? Lawful permanent resident, green card holder, for at least 5 years. Married to a U.S. citizen for at least 3 years, with specific requirements. Active duty or veteran of the U.S. military. Child of a U.S. citizen, meeting certain criteria. The 10 steps to naturalization. 1. Gather information. Familiarize yourself with the naturalization process to apply for citizenship, eligibility criteria, and USCIS resources like the policy manual. 2. Prepare Form N-400. This application is available online. USCIS provides detailed instructions for completion. 3. Collect documents. Gather documents proving your eligibility, including passport photos if you live outside the U.S. A USCIS checklist ensures you have everything needed. 4. Submit application. Once complete, send the application and fees to USCIS. 5. Biometrics appointment. USCIS may schedule an appointment to collect fingerprints and photos. 6. Interview. After processing your application, USCIS will schedule an interview. Attend on the designated date and time. 7. USCIS decision. USCIS will mail you a decision notice, also available electronically if you filed online. This could be approval, a request for more information, or denial. 8. Oath of allegiance. If approved, you may participate in a naturalization ceremony on the same day as your interview. Here, you will officially become a U.S. citizen by taking the oath of allegiance. 9. Certificate of naturalization. You will receive this document at the ceremony. Verify its accuracy and notify USCIS of any errors. 10. Rights and responsibilities. As a U.S. citizen, you gain specific rights and responsibilities. Familiarize yourself with these to become a well-informed citizen. To expand this information, consult www.inmigracionyvisas.com, follow us on our social networks, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.